This is a 2008 Ford F-Series. It features a 6.4-liter 8-cylinder engine, a 5-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a heavy-duty suspension, heated seats, a low-tire pressure indicator, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a premium sound system, performance tires, a trailer hitch receiver, stylish premium wheels, stability control, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has fewer than 34,000 miles on the odometer. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Tom Denchel Ford Country is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 555 South Highway 395 in Hermiston.